Now, despite the ongoing security concerns in Nigeria, dozens of musicians and music lovers converged in Abuja for the second edition of the Abuja Music Festival. It brings together both local and international artists.
The recent attacks in Abuja did not deter music lovers from the event, now in its second year. The Abuja Pavilion was the place to be to enjoy music from across the world.
The music is more about awareness. A whole lot about awareness. Like the last song I sang was responsibility. And what I was trying to say was every man has to take responsibility. It's not wrong to be wrong, but it's wrong when you don't agree that you're wrong.
This event themed Building Goodwill and Better Friendship saw guest performances by US-based group Henhouse Prowlers.
Bluegrass is a very American genre of music, started in the mid-40s, and it's all acoustic instruments and no drums. We all make the rhythm ourselves with our acoustic instruments.
U.S. Ambassador to Nigeria James Entwistle was among the dignitaries at the event. On the recent spate of insecurity in the country, the envoy reiterated his government's commitment to the fight against the militant group Boko Haram.
No, bluegrass is wonderful. We like to introduce every genre of American music. And back to your question about the poor, unfortunate girls at Chibok, we continue to do everything we can to help your government on that front. We will continue to do so as a friend and partner of this country.
The Abuja International Music Festival strives to showcase to the world the rich culture of Nigeria through music, dance from various communities in the country. Susan Mongeli, CCTV.